Title: ɡ(g)rl, celebrating the spirit of youth. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡ(g)rl. A girl is a female child or young woman, typically under the age of adulthood. It's a term that symbolizes the vibrant and promising phase of youth. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡ(g)rl is simple, ɡ(g)rl, with a soft G and a short I. Use in a sentence. For example, the girl celebrated her birthday with enthusiasm, surrounded by friends and family. Importance: girls are the future, filled with potential and the power to shape the world. They represent hope, dreams, and the spirit of growth and learning. Conclusion: in summary, ɡ(g)rl is a word that signifies the beauty and energy of youth. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, let's celebrate and support the dreams and aspirations of girls around the world.